We are going to be making some foaming hand soap, and we are going to start with our fractionated coconut oil, and the recipe calls for 1 teaspoon. So we'll add that in. And then we add our essential oils, so we have nutmeg and B.O. Begone, which is a blend. 5 drops of each oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was the nutmeg. And the B.O. Begone blend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. And this blend is patchouli, ylang ylang, sandalwood, lavender, and sweet orange. And we just stir that to make sure everything is combined. I guess I didn't need quite this big of a bowl, but it works. Okay. Then we are going to, in our empty soap container that was previously used, we are going to add 1 cup of distilled water. I did try to clean it out best I could prior to doing this. And we're going to add our Castile soap. We need 2 tablespoons of the liquid soap. And we put that right in the water. The nice thing about these recipes is that everything you need to make this comes right in your Simply Earth box. So if you're struggling to figure out recipes for your essential oils, the Simply Earth box is a really nice way to be able to make some natural products for your home really simply and easily without having to scour the internet constantly for new recipes like I always tried to do before. Okay, so then we go ahead and add our oil mixture into the soap. Try to get it all in there. Don't want to waste any. Alright, seems pretty good. And we can put the top on. And then it says to go ahead and shake it up. Make sure it's fully mixed up, nice and shaken. And you can go ahead and dispense. A couple pumps to get it primed and going. And look at that, dispensed right onto your hand, normally of course, and wash as normal. And the scent is really nice, I like it. So that's it. You can make your own foaming hand soap very simply, very easily, just a few ingredients in an old soap bottle and you are set.